Johnny, your car is done. Big and better than ever. So we have done for you an exclusive bonnet scoop painted in performance blue to match the color of your car. We have fitted an Australian-made custom snorkel with a custom airbox to match the proudly Australian-made wedge tail roof rack with the LED bar on top. We have also fitted our exclusive Nomad Sabbath wheels in 18-inch, wrapped in the beautiful Mickey Thompson tire. This is an exclusive product. You will not find it anywhere, and it is the best of the best. Now John, I am gonna Uber your Raptor back to you, just like I promised.